There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you.
Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to yet another video, and here it's me, your favorite Sheftakhan. By the way guys, bear with my voice because Delhi ki sardiyan, oh my god, facing it for the very first time. Okay, let's not get diverted. So in today's video guys, I'll be reviewing about a beautiful product. Like मैंने इतना सुना है इसके बारे में, so I thought why not to test it and tell you guys how is it, and मतलब ये इतना pocket friendly है कि I thought I should go for it. Why not? So yeah, now you know Nature's Essence Glowing Gold Facial Kit. Like जब भी हम facial word सुनते हैं, we found it really expensive and time consuming as well. But this product is neither expensive nor it is time consuming. Like it is just for 260 rupees and your facial will be done in just round about 45 minutes. Sounds crazy, right? I mean, so guys, you know what, like even I wanted to look really fancy and stuff, like by using the cute hairbands which comes in market, but unfortunately मेरे पास नहीं थे वो. So I'll look cute by applying these pins because मेरे पास यही थे घर पे यार, मैं क्या करूँ, कहाँ से ले आऊँ. So मैंने ये pins लगा लिए ताकि थोड़ी सी भी disturbance ना हो while I'm doing my facial. Like I'll have a good glow after this procedure. Oh my god. So guys, before starting this facial, I've washed my face thoroughly. Like this is a very important procedure. You can use this facial kit for about 3 times. Like how crazy is this? मतलब आपका कोई भी function हो, this facial kit is good to go, and moreover इतना pocket friendly है. And applying the Nature's Essence Tan Therapy Wipe Off Mask. It is the pre-facial prep and ये ने अभी ही include किया है this procedure because I also feel like this is so damn important. I'll apply this and wait for 15 minutes. Okay guys, so I have applied the product on my face and I am looking like a clown. है ना? So अब क्या करना है? I need to just massage it in a circular motion so that it just penetrates into my skin and provides me with a beautiful glow. मैं थोड़ी लाइट करके आई हूँ and can you see this? ये fall off हुआ है and now I will leave this for 15 minutes and then we'll wash it off. I know it will be too soon for me to say that I have found a visible clearance in my skin. Like soft जो है सो है, वो तो अलग चीज़ है, but like मेरी skin ना थोड़ी सी ग्लो कर रही है, थोड़ी सी whitish tone पे जा रही है. How? I don't know, but I've fallen in love with my skin. So this was just the pre-facial step. ठीक है, अभी हम facial की तरफ बढ़े भी नहीं हैं and we can see the visible result. Moving on to our first step, that is exfoliating. Exfoliating plays a greater role because क्या होता है ना कि नोज़ के पास ब्लैकेट्स बन जाते हैं, डार्क सर्कल्स होते हैं, बहुत सारे पिंपल्स होने लगते हैं बिकॉज ऑफ डर्ट दैट जस्ट गेट्स पेनिट्रेटेड इनसाइड योर स्किन. सो एक्सफोलिएट वर्क्स कि वो डर्ट को क्लियर करता है एंड मेक्स योर स्किन सॉफ्ट एंड ग्लोई. सो Wow, like, can you see the visible change? Okay guys, so we are moving to our next step, that is the second step, conditioning. So they are saying that apply this cream in dots over your moist skin and leave it for 15 minutes. Just kind of massage it, penetrate it deep into your skin, and for 15 minutes, yeah. And because the skin makes you prepare for the third step. So I'm going to do this. I'm excited for this one because it will just going to relax me, and this is what all I want from my life. Relax. Okay, 15 minutes are over, and can you see my skin? Whoa, shit. It looks beautiful and glowy. Well, अभी हमने सिर्फ 2 steps किया है except the pre-facial preparation. So now we are moving forward to our third step, that is hydration, and it's a gel. So I'm excited for this one because मैंने जेल कभी अप्लाई नहीं किया अपनी स्किन पे, तो आई एम श्योर कि थोड़ा सा ठंडा सा होगा. एंड ओके, लेट्स डू इट. So I've applied this gel on my face and I'll massage it nicely. This is so soft. मुझे लग रहा है कि मैं ना पूरी रात से अपनी स्किन को टच करती रहूँगी. इतनी मैंने कर लिया मसाज and I can feel that my skin has become really soft. So now we are here at the last step of our facial, and this is polishing of your skin. Like what? Skin polish होने वाली है. I'm excited for this one. So what you have to do is apply this pack in a layer, wait for 10 minutes, relax, and then wash it off. इसके बाद ना आई एम शादी रेडी. ओके, कितना Okay, you guys, I've applied this pack all over my face and I'll just wait for 10 minutes. Till then, I'll just sip. To hydrate your skin, it is important to drink water apart from applying this pack, because obviously this pack will work, but internal glow is important, right? So okay, our 10 minutes are over and थोड़ा dry हो गया है. So it means we should wash it and see the result. Well, मैंने कर लिया इसे wash. मैं कुछ नहीं बोलने वाली. You guys can see the result. What the hell? पहली बार में इतना visible result in just 260 rupees, and not just this. Like आप इसे ना 3 बार यूज कर सकते हो. What else do you need? मतलब 1 tube is just costing you for rupees 80. Great, and that too at comfort of your home. Like कहीं जाने की भी जरूरत नहीं है. अगर आपके घर में शादी हो, फंक्शन हो, बर्थडे हो, पार्टी हो, कुछ भी हो, just order this kit from Nature's Essence and your job will be done. Like, you'll be glowing like a star, you know. Okay guys, so this is all for today's video. Hope you enjoyed my review about this Nature's Essence facial kit, and like you can see the instant ग्लो ऑन माई फेस. लाइक मैं तो कुछ नहीं बोलूँगी, आपके सामने जो भी है मैंने सब आपके सामने ही किया है. सो लाइक इफ यू एंजॉयड वॉचिंग इट देन व्हाट, go like, share and subscribe and comment. And if you want the same kit, then the link will be in the description box. So वहाँ जाके buy कर सकते हैं. And see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye, toodles.